primary recognition editorial team is in South Africa, near Pretoria, to cover AAD 2016, the Africa Aerospace and Defence Exhibition. Today we focus to the South African defence and security industry. AAD 2016, it's also an opportunity for the local industry to unveil latest products and innovation for the military sector. For example, Paramount Group unveiled its new Mbombe 8 and Denel its new combat vehicle.
Today we have launched the Mbombe family of vehicles. This is a 4x4, 6x6, 8x8 vehicle that have 80% commonality in components, that are some of the most advanced vehicles in the world today, highest level of ballistic protection, best performance, and are platforms for an entire ecosystem of defense industrial capability. Very proud day for us. So this 8x8 has a very, very high level of mobility. It is a very fast vehicle. It has speeds in excess of 100 kilometers an hour. It has the ability to carry a vast range of munitions, of weapon systems, large internal space, our own very advanced independent suspension, which is amongst the best in the world. And most importantly, it's designed to be very cost effective. We believe that this vehicle is one of the most cost effective in its class in the world. And because of its open architecture, it's very, very easy to integrate systems and equipment onto the vehicle. Our genesis was in the land system space, but we are today a multifaceted organization. We have a shipyard that produces a full range of vehicles, vessels for both civilian as well as military use. Our aerospace competence is very broad. We do modifications to platforms. We are a platform producer ourselves. We are the Arlac and now the Mwari, which was launched at this show as part of the Paramount portfolio. And then, of course, we're in the UAV and the robotic space. And most recently, we've got involved in the integrated joint command environment. And there we integrate capabilities, our own capabilities, and capabilities from sensor manufacturers all over the world into a very remarkable centralized command and control environment. So Paramount truly can offer most military customers everything that they need from A to Z.
It's a truck that we have developed over a very short period of time because we identified a need for a truck that can withstand the African conditions. So what people normally do is they take a commercial truck and then adapt that for military use. And we decided to use a clean sheet of paper and design a military truck with military technology for military use. And we used our RG31 APC crew compartment as the basic design, and then just extended the back part and designed the roll-on, roll-off system that makes this vehicle capable of carrying any rear load, from a bin to an ambulance to a water bunker to whatever is needed in any sort of peace or operational situation. Well, it's a demonstrator to demonstrate the South African industry's capability, and very specifically also the technology we have in Denel. Not only in terms of the protection, but also in terms of the very short time we are able to do things like this. And as I said earlier, we want to get feedback from potential users to get that input for our engineers to make the improvements required by potential users. we had a lot of building blocks already designed over many years. So we've put a lot of different pieces of technology together. So in a case like that, it is possible to do that. So the vehicle will now go for extensive tests, after which it will obviously go through a design improvement phase.
Every year we upgrade it according to client specification to make it better as they want it, and from there developed a Riva 4 that was a cargo vehicle with a bed at the back to transport ammunition or mortars on, and then the Riva 5, the one at the back, the big one, is now the top of the range model. The engine and transmission system of the vehicle is there for the client to choose. And the same for the suspension system. At the back here, we've got this little bus here. It's called a protection. Currently in South Africa, we do have a lot of riots, and people need to be transported from point A to point B, where violence are committed. And this is a low armor vehicle. It's with 6mm armor and 30mm windows, so where you can transport your workers through an area. It can also be used by the police for anti-riot protection. It's not a 4x4 vehicle, it's a bus-type vehicle. It seats 2 up front and 6 at the back, and then 2 occupational seats right at the back.